If you're using Poppo Live and running into issues with face authentication failing, you're not alone. Today I'm going to break down some common reasons why this might happen and how to fix them. Let's get started. First, let's quickly discuss what face authentication is. It's a security feature that uses facial recognition to verify your identity when logging in or performing certain actions on the app. Now let's look at some common reasons why face authentication might fail on Poppo Live. Reason 1. Poor lighting. If you're in a dimly lit room, the camera may struggle to recognize your face. Try moving to a well-lit area. Number 2. Obstruction of the camera. Make sure your camera lens is clean and unobstructed. A dirty lens can lead to authentication issues. Reason 3. Changes to your appearance. If you recently changed your hairstyle, added glasses, or are wearing a mask, the face recognition might not work as expected. Number 4. Ensure that Poppo Live has permission to access your camera. Now let's go through some troubleshooting steps to help resolve the issue. Step 1. Ensure you're in a well-lit environment with your face clearly visible to the camera. Step 2. Clean your camera lens to remove any smudges or dirt. Step 3. Check for any app updates in the App Store. An outdated version can lead to functionality issues. Open your App Store. Go to the search bar and search for Poppo Live. And if there's an update available, simply download it. Step 4. Restart your device. A simple reboot can often fix minor glitches. If all else fails, try reconfiguring your face authentication settings in the app. And there you have it. If face authentication fails on Poppo Live, these steps should help you troubleshoot the issue.